Hello, I'm Andrew and this is my stats final project. So my statistical question is, in the game Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, do the 11 different modules in free play required to defuse the bomb have an equal chance of appearing on the bomb? So I collected the data by loading up the game, clicking on the bomb, and counting every single module and looked for the frequency of what they appear, and I recorded it on the spreadsheet. So here's the data I collected. You can see all 11 modules, and you can see the frequency of which they appear in any of the 25 trials. So here's a bar graph of the following data that I just collected in a simpler format. So here's the table of the observed counts and expected counts. I got the expected counts by adding up all the amount of modules, which is 275, and multiplying each category by 1/11 to get 25 as the expected counts. So now we'll be starting the data analysis. And so basically we're going to use the chi-square goodness of fit test because it's a category variable and it's a one-way table. And so our null hypothesis is all the modules have an equal chance of appearing on the bomb, and our alternate hypothesis is all the modules don't have an equal chance of appearing on the bomb. Our significance level is 0.05. So there's only two conditions required for the chi-square goodness of fit test, and that it was random, which is fulfilled because the game automatically randomized each bomb, and its expected counts, and as you saw in the table before, all expected counts are above 5. So now we're on the do part of this section, and the chi-square formula is the sum of all observed counts minus expected counts squared divided by the expected count. And our degrees of freedom is equal to the number of categories minus 1. And so basically once we plug in all of our numbers, for all the components we get 1.68, and our degrees of freedom is 10, and then we're left with our p-value being 0.9982. So now we're down to our conclusion, and because the p-value 0.9982 is greater than a 0.05, which is our significance level, we fail to reject h of 0. We do not have convincing evidence to believe that the modules don't have an equal chance of appearing on the bomb. In conclusion, in free play mode with 11 modules, we'll have to assume that all modules have an equal chance of appearing on the bomb. So here's my reflection. So at the beginning of the project, I was originally just adding +1 to each category, like a tally marker, but then I realized that was just taking too long, so I just started using the column as a trial, and then everything went a lot faster to record. And another feature study that could be done is doing each level of the game and seeing if the module frequency changes depending on the level, and finding out the proportions for each one. So this is the end of my stats project, and yeah, that's it.